So guys, welcome to this new video, the first one on this channel. We are gonna have a look at this HP small form factor computer I got for free from a family member. So it apparently has i3 second gen, no RAM and 500GB hard drive. So I am surprised it has hard drive. Now this is the first video on this channel. I hope you enjoyed this, and let's jump into the video. So I'm gonna open it because I need to put the RAM in. So this is what the computer looks like with the side panel off. Now this is the RAM we are gonna put in. It's an HP one 4GB stick. It came from the exact same computer that I got years ago for parts, and I took it out and it works. So you're gonna put it in. So I lift up the CD drive. You are not able to see this, but there is a slot to put the RAM in. So I'm gonna put the RAM in. Yeah, I'm struggling a bit with it, but I think it will still work. So I'm gonna close the CD drive and now put the side panel back on because I don't want to power it without the side panel. Okay, now it's closed, so let's see if it will turn on. So power it on. Okay, the monitor started. And we have something on the monitor. Yes, and it booted. Okay, it boots. Oh, it's I think missing the operating system, or the hard drive died, but I think it's the first option because there is no operating system. So I'm gonna replace it with this SSD with Ubuntu on it. So let's see if it works. Okay, so I now replaced the SSD. So let's turn it on. Okay, monitor started, but yes, it works. It has some errors, but I don't think it's gonna affect it. Okay, it's taking a bit too long. Yeah, now, okay. Yes, it boots into Ubuntu. Okay. Oh, that's kind of fast. I did not expect that. Okay, I'm not good at Ubuntu, so I don't know where's the in PC information stuff. I know in Windows is a task manager, but in this I don't know. Yeah, let's play Minesweeper because this is on. I'm not good at it, but it's the only game installed on this, so. That's just the test if it can play Minesweeper. Okay, yeah, I'm not really good at it, but I'm trying to be better. So let's clean this thing. So I have it on my cleaning bench, so I'm gonna spray some isopropyl alcohol on my cleaning cloth. I don't know how it's done. I think this is the proper way. And just wipe it because it's really dusty, and it's a school computer because all of the marker writings all over it, so it's clean. So I'm gonna clean them off. Yeah, it's rather clean because the vents are like small and there is hard to reach places in this. But I think I'm able to clean this pretty good looking. Yeah. Okay, now let's do this side. Spray some isopropyl alcohol on this. I have a lot of it, so there is no need to spare some. I can easily buy more. So let's just wipe it off and clean the handle off a bit because it's dusty in there. So I'm gonna spray some isopropyl alcohol on it. I just don't want it into computer, like through the handle. It's like I don't want it into computer. but I found out that there is no holes in the computer, like through the handle. So let's just wipe it more. Yeah, see, it's dirty cloud, but okay. So this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this computer, and peace out.